Have you heard the news about matcha shortage? Or have you heard that some popular brands are limiting quantity for sale? Today, we're gonna explore why there's matcha shortage and how it's normal and a good thing. So keep watching. Hi there, I'm Kimmy, your matcha crazy friend and certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my cozy little matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos like how to make matcha food and drinks, make sure you poke that like button so that shows me to make more similar videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button. You may have seen on social media or some other news outlet that there's a matcha shortage. Reports state that some tea farmers and matcha suppliers like popular Marukyoko Yam Matcha and Ippodo tea are struggling to keep up with the increasing demand for matcha. In fact, Ippodo tea has even suspended the sale of certain items until 2025. Matcha has always been popular, but this summer we've seen a massive spike in interest of matcha. Strawberry matcha has been super popular and so many people are making matcha at home. At my cafe, we've definitely seen a huge increase in people coming in as well as people buying matcha powder so that they can make matcha at home. The surge in popularity has led to well-known matcha brands facing challenges in meeting sudden increase in demand. But here's the thing, it's not that people are over-consuming matcha. It's the timing and the processing of matcha production play an important role. Matcha is made from the leaves of Camellia sinensis plants, which are grown under the shade to boost their chlorophyll and amino acid content. The highest quality matcha comes from the first harvest, which takes place in early spring, usually between late April and early May. First harvest matcha is known for its vibrant green color, smooth texture, and the delicate flavor. This premium matcha is usually reserved for ceremonial purposes due to its quality. Later harvest matcha is usually for culinary use. Because matcha is only picked once a year for the first harvest, the supply can be limited, especially when unexpected demand comes in, like what we've seen this year. So when social media is going crazy about Marukyoko Yam Matcha, it's no surprise that they have to pull back production and also limit quantities. If you find any value in this video so far, please go ahead, poke that like button and comment matcha below. It truly helped me to grow this channel so that I can make more videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button and comment matcha below. Let's carry on. The good news, not all matcha brands are being affected. The matcha shortage has mostly affected the most popular brands. Those have gone viral on social media. But there are plenty of matcha producers out there with high-quality matcha just as good, if not better. So this shortage could be an opportunity for you to try other matcha brands and maybe find a new favorite. Each matcha has its own unique flavor profile. So it's all about finding the one that suits your taste. So if you're struggling to get your hands on your usual matcha, here are my recommendations if you're looking to make a matcha latte at home. So today we have 3 different kinds of matcha. They're all suitable for making matcha lattes or like strawberry matcha, matcha lemonade, because those blends are strong enough. Even though you add other ingredients to it, the matcha flavor still stands out. But they do have different flavor profiles. So first of all, this is the white one called Yam Matcha Ceremonial. Y stands for Yame. Yame is in Fukuoka, Japan. It's from southern part of Japan. We get it from a renowned matcha producer, Hoshino Seichan. So we buy them in bulk and then we brand it under our own brand. So this one is super high quality first harvest matcha. It has a toastiness and a milk chocolate flavor to it. So it's very interesting to explore this flavor profile. And the second one is Yuan Organic Everyday Matcha. So if you're looking for some high quality organic matcha, I definitely recommend this one. So this one is on the vegetative side. It does have a very rich and bold texture, and it has a sweet finish. So if you're looking for like a smooth matcha, I would definitely recommend this one. This is also one of our best sellers at our cafe. And the third one is the original tin from Molly Hung. So Molly Hung is a matcha brand for over 300 years. It's from Uji, Kyoto. And this matcha has like a toasted hazelnut taste to it. So it's definitely on the nuttier side, but it's also really delicious when you make it into a latte or blend it with any other fruit purees. So give it a try. And if you want to support my channel, and also you can get matcha powder from my website, so it's at wastematcha.ca. I will also include the link in the description below. Okay, there you have it. Today, we went through a lot of information in a short period of time, and there's no way I could cover everything for you in detail. If you're serious in getting more information about matcha history, the processing methods, and also step-by-step instruction on how to make delicious matcha drinks and food, make sure you subscribe to our channel so I can make more similar videos for you. If you have any questions, make sure you leave the comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and I will see you at next one.